Alright guys, so today we have these Kreo Slab lights to unbox. These are one of those small studio lights that you can set up on your desk for your streaming setup, your face cam setup, or small unboxing setup like this. And today we're going to unbox these and we're going to see how these performs. But first let me tell you why I chose these lights. I wanted to buy some studio lights, some really affordable studio lights for my unboxing setup. And all I could find were these ring lights on Amazon and Flipkart both. And honestly, I wasted a tons of money on these ring lights. They are not reliable, the build quality is not really good, and they die on you when you need them the most. So I didn't want to waste any more money on those. So I've been searching and searching, and Insta being Insta, they heard my thoughts and start giving me these ads on my feeds. So I thought, let's try one of these. So Kreo is one of the brand that's been aggressively promoting their brand. They looks good. They're not very expensive as well. So I thought, let's give them a try. So I bought two of these. I already have one set up right here, and this is we're going to unbox. So let's do that. Okay, so before opening the box, let me tell you that I've bought a microphone from the same brand as well. This is a really cheap microphone with one mic and one receiver. This is a smartphone microphone, and I'm going to unbox this and review this in another video. So if you want to know about these mic, you have to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you would know when I upload the video. So back to the lights. I already unboxed one, so I know what to expect. You have these papers, some sticker, this small quick start guide, and that's it. Then there is your light. It's all plastic basically, but a really good quality plastic. There's your cable, USB type A port, and the cable is pretty long as well. Let's see what else do we get. This is the stand, and it's all metal. This is some rubberized material that they used for grip. On the top it's all metal. This is your fitting for the stand. This is also metal, and it has some weight in it. It's not just some cheap and lightweight piece of pipe. It has some weight in it, and it's this long, basically about 1.5 feet long. And you also get a smartphone clip that you can add to this stand, and this is really sturdy. Like, let me show you how firmly it attaches to this strand. You can fasten it like this, and it's really sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's really sturdy. It cannot like go even up or down by itself, or even with a lot of force. It's really in there. It's really good. Other than that, this is the screw that you get, and that's it. Now let's assemble the light. So first I'm going to remove this. So this is the stand. Okay, so at the back you get these controls, on off. These are brightness, and this is mode, basically different colors. So this is the complete light that you get, and if you want you can extend the length or shorten it, and once you're done you have a small light like this one. You can also use it as a table lamp, I guess. It looks really good. The neck is really adjustable. You can adjust it to any direction. You can use this screw and this screw to adjust the neck, and this to adjust the rotation. Alright guys, so now I have both the lights set up and they're at their maximum intensity, and let me show you how everything looks. So as you can see, everything looks crisp and clear under these lights, and if you want you can add a little bit of color, a little bit of warmth to the scene. And honestly, you can use these lights for anything: your streaming setup, your face cam setup, small unboxing, and anything that you want. So this was the unboxing of Kreo Slab lights. If you want to buy these, the link is in the description, and stay tuned for the microphone review as well. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like it. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.